Hi, I'm Nick, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the stuff that I got from Grove Collaborative. I should say right off the bat that I actually work for Grove Collaborative. I've been working there for 5 months, but this is not a promotion or an advertisement. I'm not getting anything extra from the company to do this. I recently got a coupon as an employee to get some free stuff off the website, but they didn't tell me to make a video. And really I'm thankful they did, because I had my eye on some things. I actually work at a warehouse, a fulfillment center in the St. Louis area, so I actually see the goods all the time. It's actually my job to pack these boxes, so I have an appreciation for whoever packed this box. They did it really well. If you notice, the tape is very straight and the label is like perfectly positioned, and the box is, the sides are very tight. So everyone may not appreciate the craftsmanship that goes into packing a box, but whoever did this, good job. In Grove Collaborative, they have natural organic products for everything, for yourself, for your house, for your pet, for your children. They have all kinds of stuff, so check them out. And again, not an advertisement, not getting paid. And the stuff I got is not anything exciting, but nevertheless, here we go. Just really some things that I had my eye on. Oh my god. Because I see the stuff all the time, all day, so it's like, this looks cool, It's not, some of it is stuff that you might be able to find elsewhere, but a lot of it is stuff that I had never seen before I started working there. So you see some nifty things. And let's see what's inside. Okay, all right, thank you. There's the packing ship label. Okay, this is really lame. I bought paper towels, but I see these all the time, and I don't know why they look cool, but I just I know I can buy these anywhere, but I don't know. I don't. Yeah, they're brown because they're good for the environment. Yeah, it's super lame. I bought this actually because I already bought the toothpaste somewhere else, and I wanted matching. See, they're farm-grown mint. I don't really know. I assume all mint is grown on a farm, but I guess that's pretty cool. Okay, I'm really excited about this. This is kids shampoo. It's watermelon, but doesn't that look fun? I mean. And it's watermelon, it's shampoo and body wash, so, just go crazy, really. I actually told my coworker I was gonna buy this, and they thought I was crazy because they don't have kids, but I mean, hey. All right, I got a toothbrush. I actually used to use only these toothbrushes, but I forgot they existed. Grove has them, so I bought one. And I bought a toothbrush for my dog, because she really needs to have her mouth brushed, for sure. No xylitol, yeah. Definitely don't want to give your dog xylitol. And I recently read that a lot of the flosses that you commonly see at the store have a substance in them that is not good for you. So I went ahead and bought some natural silk floss, because I do try to floss every day, and definitely don't want to be flossing with questionable chemicals. Again, this is for kids. I bought baby wipes, but if you could feel these, oh, I have black stuff all over my hand. If you could feel these, you would understand why. I don't know why, what is so good. They just feel really, it's cool and cushy. And I've never seen these wipes anywhere else, but then again, I don't have a baby, so maybe that's why. But they say 99.9% water and fruit extract. I mean, that sounds great, and I mean, I'll probably use them eventually for something, right? And trash bags, I know why, but I actually do need trash bags, and I thought I might as well buy, good ones. And a little card, which we send these with most of the orders, or a lot of them, and because this is basically how, if you need to talk to Grove, my person is Marissa, so that's who you talk to if you need to talk to Grove. And that's it. See, I told you, super lame, but I was excited because it was my first order from the company, and I pack a lot of these boxes, so it was fun to finally receive one. thanks for watching.